Guys, if this dog is good, then he'll get these little treats. He'll be able to earn them. He'll be able to earn them only if he beats good. All right, because he's actually in his kennel. See him over there? He's actually in this kennel. But if I have to, because y'all let me know, guys, let me know if y'all wanted me to give this dog a treat, okay? Only if he beats good, then he'll get these. It's called Oinkies. What the heck? You know what? You know bacon comes from pigs. But anyways, I'm glad that it doesn't have no bacon on it. None of that. But it doesn't even really taste like bacon. But yeah, if he beats good, then he'll get the treats that I just showed you guys. But I'll be spying on this dog right now. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna put these treats right over here. Why does this iPad gotta keep on it?